Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Kids, first we use the color of blue and the next one is yellow, black color, green color and the last one is red color. First we use blue color and now we draw capital letter alphabets. First we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. Now we draw B. B for ball, and the next one is C. C for cow. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Now we draw E. E for elephant. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we draw G. And the next one is H. H for hand. Now we draw I for eyes. Subscribe to our channel. Now we draw J. J for jackfruit. The next one is K. K for kite. Now we draw L. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. Now we draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for orange. We again use the color of blue. The next one is P. And now we draw Q. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. Kids, now we use the color of red. Now we use the color of red. Red color. S for sun, and the next one is T. Now we draw U. The next one is V. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of W. Now we draw X, Y, and the last one is Z. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. The next one is numbers. Kids, now we use the color of black. First we draw the number of 1. The next one is 2. Now we draw 3. The next one is 4. Now we draw 5. The next one is 6. S-I-X, 6. Now we draw 7. And the next one is 8. And now we draw 9. The next one is 10. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. Thank you so much for watching.